Alright, I did the contract. I can start up my own contract, right? I don't need you.
No, you
I don't need you, Owen. Okay, here we go. Another one. Oh wait, no, completed.
Oh, okay. Well, I just drove over the car. Benefits of a tank.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure weed is just what you use to cure depression, so you're probably just at normal now.
Fucking hell. Jugular. Michael is pissing himself. Like he's gonna choke on a what's it. Oh, that's an unfortunate way to go. Death by what's it. By the way, press 8 to increase time. Yep, again. Yep, you see that? It's going up in the top right.
How do I decrease time?
Huh?
How do I decrease time?
7.
Fucking hell.
Michael's looking around and it's like, time has changed.
Don't worry, it's just a weed, Michael. Ignore it.
The sky is falling. The sky is falling. I wouldn't say.
Wait, Aston, was you using that device back there?
What device?
That ploughing device.
No, I wasn't using it.
Okay.
But the AI used it.
I was gonna say, there's a reason why you're not collecting shit. It's because you're using a plougher, not a.
Yeah, it's a plower.
Yeah, it ploughs the field ready for the next harvest, not.
It says this needs weight, so it makes it ready for the next time I put seed in.
Yeah, we're not collecting any of this.
Stop! Stop! No! Stop! Alright. Sorry about that. It said it needed ploughing, so I thought it went, your failure. Go try again.
It does say ploughing. Why is it not saying harvesting?
Yeah, I know, but exactly.
Maybe we are not supposed to keep this stuff.
He was using the right thing.
Oh, I think I get it. The crop is dead.
Oh.
That's why it says we need to plough it.
Okay, so that stuff is dead, so we plough that stuff. So at least now we've got a new field to start
again.
again.
Harvest. Yeah, we need to start this one again, which is fine, because we really do need to learn everything there is.
Yeah. Okay.
Driving.
Are we sure that that little blue tractor can pull that thing if it's fully loaded?
No. Ain't no way fucking hell that is gonna be able to pull.
Well.
We're going to find out.
Wait.
The
Michael.
Well.
What the fuck? Why did you... Where is this tractor? Michael, okay, let me tell you what Michael just did. Michael, in his infinite fucking wisdom, decided it was a good idea to just leave the tractor behind and just go do something else.
Wow.
Like the ADHD bitch he is. So now I have to drag... No. Michael, you're doing this.
Never.
Michael, it's your track. That means you stole my tractor. Give me my tractor back.
What are you gonna do? Kick me out?
Owen, you know what to do. Do it.
I am the most hard-working person. I have rights.
Yeah.
Well, not here. Fuck you.
Alright, cool, thanks. Holy shit balls.
What?
You wanted the... How much are we getting paid for this?
What?
Do you not see how big the land is?
Yeah, that's normal.
No, the fuck not. Look at our land.
I think that's good enough.
By the way, I am recording, so anything you say, Joe, will be held against me.
Well, we're not in
You're
America.
You're dropping
Yeah,
an American immediately. What the fuck?
Am I picking it up?
What is that coming out of your back?
Oh.
There we go. Perfect.
Okay.
timing.
Yeah, I'll work it.
Cruise control.
Trust me.
Oh fuck.
Yeah. Owen,
It's
you're missing a bit of stuff.
hire.
Fine. You might be a bit closer.
If you hire
Ah.
like the news in the game, they all have strokes. They will just go.
There we go. Aston,
God!
God's sake!
My God! No, you be a protein collector. I'll be the harvester.
Okay. Shit.
Exist.
Oh, I'm gonna have to go right round. Jesus, brakes! Why is there no brakes in this thing?
Yeah, cruise control at 2, and then once we get a feel for it, we'll go up.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's deactivated. That doesn't matter. We're perfect. Go.
Aston?
Three?
Aston? Aston?
Oh,
It's turning.
Oh, sorry. Cool.
99, 100.
Alright, cool. Well, I'm going to keep harvesting and filling up, so you can just go deliver it to wherever it needs to go.
Okay. Where's that?
This is kind of a race against time.
Oh! Okay, river there. We're about to lose everything we just worked on.
Oh god.
Was I supposed to turn off there? Yes. Aston, let me deposit your tank first and then we'll stop moving. That way it'll have some margin forever.
Huh? Oh, you mean my tank? Yeah, I had that idea already.
It's not fucking competition.
I already thought about that. No, I already thought about that.
Well, I thought of it first. My idea. Okay, that was 61%.
Wow. Well, at least it's got more storage for my actual harvester.
You want to actually try harvesting?
I'm not harvesting. I forgot I had the press button.
Fucking plumped it.
Okay.
Alright. Okay. Fuck that corner. Give me a second to it.
Jesus.
Alright. Remind me. Just making my way downtown. Walking fast from my homebound.
Was it? Oh, I did.
You did. Alright,
I'm gonna do a drive-by deposit.
Fuck this corner.
Jesus
I've made the corner worse. Alright, let's get going. I am going too fast because I'm not even harvesting because it's fucking.
No, I'm gonna wait here for you.
Yeah, good idea. I don't lie,
Can you not drive into me?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Well, I would have to go up from GTX 970.
Okay. Put my pants a little bit. I lagged, and then all of a sudden I was heading towards a river.
Oh, okay.
I'm now hanging by the trailer.
What?
Oh, what the fuck have you done?
Wait, are you hanging from the trailer on the bridge?
A little bit.
Wow.
Come on, reverse. Come on, you can do it. Yes.
Are you okay, Aaron? Do you need assistance?
Nah, I think I saved it.
There we go. Now I don't have to worry about that much. Aaron, have you managed to sell it yet?
No, I just managed to retrieve it from the teetering edge.
Okay. think I just heard Michael throw up. Yeah, he's throwing up. Holy crap, that is aggressive throw up. We're right back. Me and him spoke, and I said, so what are you gonna do next time? He said, take two. He
I'm
took
gonna.
three. Yeah, exactly.
By the
I
sounds
feel
of
sorry
it,
for him.
by the sounds of it, he's going to be swimming out by the time he's done with net.
Yeah, he really is. Like, he's got vomit everywhere. Everywhere around the bowl, on the seat, on his hands.
Oh no.
Wait, did you miss some?
If it costs the earth, then it's a...
Yeah, missed some. Oh, you want to re-wrench so we can get this little bit of that?
I'm not lining back up for the tiniest little amount.
Oh yeah, I can collect it myself. I was about to say, do I have time to go have a piss? And meanwhile,
I mean, you probably won't notice at this point if you do just piss on him. I'm standing next to him. Oh, I'm gonna try.
so yeah, it's not like he's gonna remember it anyway.
Okay. So that way. Oh, there's double trailer
Oh.
shit.
You want help? Okay.
I can brute force it. No, I can't.
You turn. No, you.
I'm brute forcing it.
You. Aha!
Okay. Okay, so now what is it? This way. And then this way. Okay.
Oh, I'm good. Hey, we did it.
Okay, get yourself lined up. As
Yeah,
if you was
doing
going to
that now.
plough, and then I'll collect what you're...
Oh yeah.
So it'd be easier.
Oh, hang on. Oh my god.
Shit.
Still super
It's fish
fucking
too.
annoying to control. Okay.
That's annoying to control. I'll have to drive a tractor train now. Because you're too impatient. Hey, your thing's not down.
Is it not? Oh, it's right. ready now?
Yeah.
Let's go. He said, let's go, game.
Oh, I pushed you by accident. Oh, I'm getting so tired. He's lining up. Oh, he's doing the whole back and forth thing.
Okay, that's an interesting way of doing it, although very annoying. What's he gonna do? Is he gonna bring the pipe out so you can line up? Or is it because you're not near enough and he has to put the pipe out? Dude, if this guy brings the pipe out now that you're here, that's top tier air.
Hey.
Oh my god! Like 5 of those trailers behind you.
No.
No.
We've barely got this second one on. We did that with a fair amount of shunting.
Wait, what? You complete the task? Fuck you. Okay, so that's what happens when it reaches that gap.
How's the ploughing? Thing?
Just hitting a few things. Ah, I see. Me. Yeah, that is actually perfect. Okay, I'm not very good at parallel parking.
I mean, what do you mean? Your tractor's half the size of mine. You literally got a road in between the two.
Okay. Perfect. It balanced out. That's fucked.
Can't wait for you to tip over. Jesus fucking Christ.
Jesus Christ.
It's like watching Mr. Bean fucking
This is
drive.
me. This is me. This is the weight.
Sure, sure.
You notice how I'm basically just almost tipping over and this wheel on my right is almost safe.
You serious?
Problem is not a joke.
No, I can see that.
It's apparently the entire circus.
Oh,
Oh.
okay, now drop
Hey,
it.
I'm
Just
a
drop
geek.
everything. Oh, all the day's work. I think we should deserve a beer. Is there a pub nearby?